haven't bought in a while, we don't keep our money on us. We keep it in the vault, and that's where we are right now. About to get enough money to choke a dinosaur. Yes, I said choke a dinosaur. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, it is auction day. Friday, been waiting, haven't been to the auction probably a little over 2 weeks. It is a day to buy. And being as we haven't bought in a while, we don't keep our money on us. We keep it in the vault, and that's where we are right now. About to get enough money to choke a dinosaur. Yes, I said choke a dinosaur. Must make sure you're always prepared. I wouldn't suggest carrying cash around on you at all times. But when you go to an auction, you make sure you bring enough to go all in, because it's very important if you see the unit, the one and only, that you can buy it. And the only thing stopping you is yourself and not the amount of money you brought, because it's a cash and cash only auction, and you don't want to go home disappointed, mad at yourself, and thinking, what if, could have, I should have, this.
How much do you want to take them?
5,000.
Mr. David? Okay, I'm gonna run it through. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time.
Oh, that checks for counterfeit ones?
I'm sorry?
That thing checks for them?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow, nice.
Yep.
In my area, I don't know about yours, but in my area, this is a safe bet, 5,000. I don't know what your competition is like, but if it is serious, make sure you come prepared.
Did you get the scooter? Which one? The scooter? Did you get it? Yeah.
No, I just got here.
I saw you walk out.
Yeah, I thought this is usually at 10, and I guess they changed it to 9:30.
What's up, Mikey?
What's up?
Coming late, thanks God.
It's all right. Thank God. You got some gold mine?
I buy a good unit.
Yeah, Z's let you get a gold mine for 500 bucks. Come on now, don't fool yourself.
What gold mine?
No. No friends at the auction. If you got a unit for 500, it wasn't that great.
500. I paid 1,000.
Oh, he said 500. He went 1,000.
You push me? I want to look around. Take your time. No pushing. Yeah, no pushing. Go.
How many units are there?
Not too much, like two. Two more, yeah.
We got action. It's gonna go. Locker number 707 right here, guys. 10 by 15. I do have an opening bid of $25. I need a $50 bill now. Who's got 50 bucks on you now? I got 25. Who's 50 in the back? 50 in the back now. 75. 75 now. Hun. I need 100 now. I got 100 now. 25. 125. 25. Bid on 125. I got 100 on the end, guys. We're for 125 now. 125 here. 50 if you want to go now. 75. 75. I need 2. Let's go 2. 2 bid on 2. Who's got $200 bid? I got 200 now. 25. 25 now. 50. 50 bid on 50. We go 250. I got 225. 50 now. 75. 75. 3. 300 now is the bid. I got 200. Gonna go one time. Over 325, guys. Twice on my 300. Are we all done? All through? Sold 300, Ben. Nice looking unit, very neat, very organized. We'll stay to the left coming in, guys. We're going to exit on the right.
Okie dokie.
Can I use your resale license?
Who?
Me.
For what?
For that purchase?
No.
Let me call Cowboy. Cowboy is what the Scotty.
What's wrong with where's your resale license?
$100. I need a $125 bid. Where's my 125 now? 125 here now, 50. 50 here now, 75, 75 go. I got 175, 2. 200, what do you do? I got 175 bid on 2. Who's got $200 bid? 200, I need you guys. 200 here now, 25, 25, yes, now 50. 50 here now, 75, 75 go. I got 275, 3. 300, where you go? I got 275 bid on 3, 3. I need 3. There's 3 now, 25. 325 here now, 50. Let's go 50, 50 bid on 50. He's got $350 bid. I got 325. I need 350 there now, 75, 75. Do you like? He beats you 350. I need 375. There's 75 now, 4. 4, there's 4 now, 25, 25, 50, 50 bid on 50. I got 425 bid on 450. We got $450 bid, guys. 450 here now, 75, 75. Do you like? 500 now if you want to dance. I got 475 bid on 55. There's 5 now, 25. 525 you like? I got 500 bid on 25. 25 has got $525 bid. 500 right here, guys. Gonna take it out one time. We're for 525. What's on my 500, guys? All done, all through. Sold 500. Lock her up.
Good cell phone tower there. A lot of these, see these a lot in storage units.
This is okay. Huh? No, he's not even that.
Guys, this is a 10 by 20. You'll get a little extra time on the clean out, guys. It's packed.
No, she sold it bad.
Yeah, roses for you.
I just want to put it back. I'm never my life. No, told me that.
Oh. No, this one's intriguing.
Yeah.
Professionally packed. Looks like beacons work. All right, guys.
Oh, you're
let's
getting
rock
carried
and roll,
away now.
guys. 968 right here. It's 10 by 20. I put a couple extra days down on the paper for the cleanup, guys. We got plenty of time to get it done. Who's gonna start me off? Who's for a $100 bill? Who's got 100 here now? 20. 75 do you like? I got 250 here, guys. Over 275 3. Let's go 3 now. I got 275 bid on 3. Like $325 bid. Little white. There's 25 now 50. 50 here now 75 3. 75 now 4. 400 here now 25. 25 what you do? I got 40 bid on. I got 4. 25 now 50. Go one time. Oh, 475 now 5. 5. What? 25 now 50. 50 I need 5 55 50 5 50. He says no buy 25 gonna go out. One time for a $550 bid. Got twice on 525. All done all through. Sold 525.
This is exactly the rush to storage business, non-stop adrenaline. Came here real quick. I showed up late because this is sometimes you got to pay attention. Don't be slacking. But the auction is usually at 10 in the morning. For some reason this week they went 9:30. Last month they did it on a different day. So it's like, I thought they were going to keep it separated because I like to hit security. So that's what I got to do now. I got to rush. 17-minute drive right now to get to the next auction. It is like 10, 11. Got to get there in 17 minutes to get to the next auction. We're going to switch now to the chest cam at the auction. So I want you guys to give me some comments below if you like me to stick with my auction style, how I've been, or if you're going to like the way this chest cam goes with the... Whew, I'm out of breath. We are here at the next auction, security public storage. Here we go, loop-de-loo. Here we go, loop-de-lie. Scott is a potty mouth, ladies and gentlemen. Age jacket.
What? Oh,
Star Wars.
$1.
Tanning jars. It's almost a cute little unit here. A little bit dirty mattress.
Okay, what's your number? Big Rob. Something. All right, we'll keep you both. I'll let you know.
The girl unit.
Where does he live? Next month in Hayward, 67 Firebird. Nice car. The thing is a straight 6, but pretty clean.
Scott, do you see this car right here?
It's a 67.
Oh, yeah, the Firebird. Yeah, no.
All right.
Rick's like, don't tell nobody about it. I'm like his man. He's going to tell everybody.
5 going once, going twice.
10.
10.
Ooh.
Go 20. 10 going once. 15. 20. 15 going once, going twice. 15.
I held my breath on that one. That was tough. He buys the worst crap.
Scott, are you calling somebody else the worst buyer and saying that they buy the worst crap?
Yes.
All right.
We go 20, 30.
Oh my God.
Go 30?
Yeah.
30, 40,
No, go ahead.
50,
Yeah.
60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 100 going once, going twice, $100.
Screams tweaker. Yanks.
Dan, you gonna get them all today?
Opening big guys. $5. So we'll go 10,
10.
20, 30,
Yeah.
40, 50,
Yeah.
60, 70,
Yeah.
80, 90,
Yep.
100, 120,
Yep.
120, 40, 60,
No.
140, going once, going twice,
Yeah.
160, 180, go 180, got 160 down there, going once, yep, 180, 200, 180, going once, going twice, 180.
Oh, it's that car. We got to look at that today. They're auctioning that. What?
It's 4 cylinders.
Probably, maybe it's 8 cylinders.
Oh, the VS is V6.
V6.
There's no 8 cylinders.
Look at the rat poop. Rats everywhere. He lost his shoe in there. That's gross.
They ate all
Look at the white walls. Gangster white walls. How come we didn't look at this motor last time, but we spent so much time looking at the other car?
Maybe they ate all the wirings, the rats.
They were working on it not too long ago. Look how clean those terminals are.
I want the other car.
Me too. Great, look at that. We got the rat thing on our feet. Broken mirror. Found car. I bought an abandoned storage. And look at Scott, guys. You think he's gonna buy it? He's texting Steve. Steve, what's his worth? Quick, Steve. Steve.
That's where I got to start, guys. 200. No bid, going once. 200. What's that? 200, going once.
2016.
Going twice.
Can we pop the trunk?
My goal! Wow. Oh, hell yeah! Oh, no, close it, hurry. Hurry, close it before
Brown
Andy
paper.
sees it. Just watch out though, because I'll reset the traps. Why are you guys all looking at it like you haven't seen it before?
We gotta look at it again. Look at the fresh rat marks.
I didn't come in the last minute.
Look at this rat trap.
Pop the hood.
How do you pop the hood? We got it. Found Hummer in storage. Look at that. Go ahead, sir. Is it an SS, Scott? Oh, hell no, it's not an SS. All right.
Hell no. It was an SS.
Oh yeah, that's he's not gonna buy it.
Surprised we got 3 at Martinez.
That's noon. I hope you still have 3 in Martinez.
He said they had no contact with it. 2 10x10s and a 3x4.
A 3x4?
Yeah. About the size of that one last month, remember?
Yeah.
Did you know the year on this?
Let's not ask questions. Price just went up.
Oh, the price went down.
$500, anyone? Anybody? Scrap it. Okay.
Oh, that's what scrap gives you? 83-ish, 84-ish, I think he believes.
I'll find out the exact year, guys, right now. 81.
Rob's like, tell Manny it's for me. He says 300 is his highest he can go on it.
5's the least.
Yeah, he said 5's the least he can go.
They can scrap it for 5, he says.
500, anyone? No bid, going once. No bid, going twice. All right. No bid on the El Camino.
Dang, that's a long walk. Man, my arms are tired. Oh, this one smells. If only you guys can smell this storage unit right here. Smell this, Aziz?
Smell like shit.
You can't say that. What Aziz meant was it smells like crap. Huh, that's more like urine actually, huh? This is a good urine. It's a crisp urine smell. Like this. Anybody for $5? Not $1. No sale. Oh, wow.
No good. No bid.
There's another one in here?
We got one here, then save the best for last.
Oh, yeah, I know you're kidding me now.
Hey, this 25-foot unit is not bad.
Okay.
Don't look.
Not for here.
Don't look. So you'll
Christmas. It's almost intriguing.
No bid, going once.
What? More what? Oh. Yeah. It's just whether they're good or not.
Yeah. No, I don't want it. I'll let you know.
I let you have it, he said. Who says I want it?
I know you want it. This is your alley. You like this.
This alley's been good to me, but I don't know. Yeah.
5,
Yeah.
6, 7,
Yeah.
8. Then we go 8. Got 700. Going once. Going twice. Mike, $700. Mike.
All right.
Ooh, that
look at
would drive the price up right there.
looking at. Let's take a sneak peek.
Stenson
Let's
hat.
open that one up.
Are they there? Box.
Oh, that's nice. Alameda stuff. Oh, nice. Ray Charles. Oh, yes, guys. We've been doing good on... Oh, look at this. That's a good sign. I'm thinking these are all good records here. How many are left here? Is there still one in Walnut Creek or no?
She's trying to pay, but I don't think she lives in Canada. She's trying to pay with her credit card.
Holy!
You can see a fishing reel, a fishing pole over there in the corner?
Is that a pull on? Yeah.
No, the one over there. Yeah, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus a fly rod in there. Sage is very expensive. Sir, how you doing?
How are you?
Long time no see.
$100. 100, 25, 150, 20, 150, 75, 150 going once.
Is that you?
75 going once.
You're a sissy.
175.
If the sage reel's in there, that's $200 to $300 on eBay. Just the rod. It looks like you're gonna be disappointed again today. Look at that. What's that?
A shake weight.
What was that called?
You know the shake weight?
No. Oh, okay. I thought you were doing something else there. Someone's got to buy this unit. Come on, guys.
You go look, but I'm gonna sell this one. 10 going once, going twice. $10.
Scott, this is for you.
What is this in here for? This looks like a company
It's
unit.
pressure treated so you can't even dump it. We raced here. We literally raced to the auction. Was late, trying to get food. Look, I'm getting laughed at for filming and walking and talking by my friend here, Hedda. Yes, we were barely made on time. Rushed here to see these 3 units, and guess what? Nothing. Oh. One more facility today. 1 unit, 3x4. Rumor has it the woman is in Canada trying to pay by credit card, and she is not allowed to pay by credit card on the day of the auction. Been stored for 6 years, and I love this place for one reason and one specific reason only. It's where I found the $26,420 in a safe. Quick auction break, and look at all that peanut butter goodness. So right after our little yogurt break, we went right to the auction. We got there on time, actually a little bit early, to find out the person paid. Such is luck. They said they were trying to pay on credit card. They were in Canada, been there 6 years. I love that place. Like I said, I found a lot of money there. But we did buy 1 unit for $700 plus tax at $770. And I think I smell gold, silver, and gems. So you're gonna have to stay tuned to watch the unboxing of that 25-foot unit that was covered in spider webs and dust. 2 of my favorite things to see. And I can bet money there's probably rat poop in there too.